Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Google Meet meeting step by step. First, open your browser and go to meet.google.com. This is the main dashboard where you can start or schedule your meeting. Now, click on the New Meeting button. Here you'll see three different options to create a meeting in Google Meet. The first option is Create a Meeting for Later. If you select this, Google Meet will generate a meeting link that you can copy and share anytime. This is useful if you want to schedule or send a link in advance. The second option is Start an Instant Meeting. This will immediately open a live meeting where you can join and invite others right away. You can simply share the meeting link with participants. And the third option is Schedule in Google Calendar. This allows you to set a specific date and time, making it easier to organize meetings professionally. So, depending on your need, instant meeting, scheduled meeting, or sharing a meeting link, you can choose the right option. That's how you can easily create a Google Meet meeting.